Okay, so today, July 12th, 2021, and the final moments of Stanley's Bangla activity. Team CBR has been starting the culmination round of Stanley's Bangla on Saturday. And they were taking about 6 minutes for finishing their proceedings. And within that, the parents arrived and we finished. So both the teams have planned picture perfect on the final round. Team they finished their planning, and we will resume Team CBR's presentation. So how do you angle your presentation? If you want the audience to be here just like that, right? So they can sit here, face, and you can stand here. The way you are sitting, you will stand right there, so that it will be visible for them and visible for us.
Sir, you can take the center of the seats.
All the best, Team CB.
Thank you, Rita.
Thank you, Rita.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. Good evening, sir. Good
Good
evening,
evening,
friends.
friend.
Good evening, good evening. Dude, அங்க பார்க்கலாம். எனக்கு எதுக்கு?
இதுல காப்பி பண்ணிக்கிறோம்.
இது எனக்கு எதுக்கு?
இதுல ஷேர் பண்றது. ஏன்னா இத நான் வாட்ஸ்அப் செக் பண்ணனா அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகும்.
வெயிட் பண்ணு. ஸ்கைப்ல அனுப்பிச்சிக்க வேண்டியதானே?
ஓகே. வந்துச்சு.
Fast.
Yes, sir.
Have you downloaded?
Sir?
Download பண்ணியா?
வந்துச்சு sir.
நான் வாட்ஸ்அப் Chrome க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி. Okay.
Yes, sir. சரி நம்ம இது முக்கியம் இல்லை நம்ம மெயின் நம்ம போன்ல கூட ஆமாங்க இந்த இதுல இருக்கட்டும். So last two questions sir. இந்த 3 டைம் பாலச்சந்திரன் அப்புறம் சார் ரெண்டே क्वेश्चन சொல்லுங்க. எனக்கு பாலச்சந்திரன் காமன் சாருக்கு காமன். அப்ப நானும் சீரியஸ் வந்து பிருந்தா கேக்குறேன். யார் வேணா கேளுங்க. பிருந்தா கேட்டா எனக்கு கேக்குறேன். ஓகே. அப்ப பிருந்தா நீங்க Yes sir. Friends, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, Mitra.
Yes, Ka. Yes, Rita.
Okay. Sir, now Karpitaka will give the narration and the recap, sir.
Okay, time starts now.
Thank you, Mitra. A warm greetings to everyone. As we all know, due to unfortunate circumstance and the weather and the forest that was happening on Saturday, we were supposed to continue the show on today. Now, I would like to give a quick recap on what happened on Saturday. Saturday, we met Mr. Stanley and his friends who were with him in all his struggles and obstacles. There was also an author named Miss E. Kalpitashri who wanted to write a biography about Mr. Stanley, and the questions were happening, and everybody were interviewing him. And the last, it was with Miss Vishnupriya, the question was stopped. Today, the interviewees will ask the question to the rest of the people, and let's see what happens. Over to Mitra.
Sir, Warm greetings on another present here. Today we have tried a different approach. So normally, as we told you in the first stage, today we are having a different approach. That is, we are approaching the people, and that's how it is going to go on. And here I would like to call upon Kalpita or anyone of us to continue. Yes. So good evening, one and all. So now I am going to start questioning Samuel's friends. That is Miss Mitra, and Balaji. So, ma'am, how do you feel their experience and the relationship with Samuel? Stanley has been, first of all, good evening, ma'am. Stanley has been a very good. Stanley has been a very good person both in college and in his life too, ma'am. He was very, one the only word that could describe is he was a proficient performer in his study. Although there were a lot of issues in the college or the first year, second year difference and everything, he was very much concentrated in his work. And he always immersed himself into a lot of reading and developing, gaining knowledge. And that's how he is now. Yeah, now he's the owner of this big bungalow, and that's why we have been here just for 10 days. He has invited us here. He is such a good person, good in heart and good in mind too. He is really an intelligent and a smart person, and he knows how to handle each and every situation. So that's how Stanley has been for the past around 25 years. And now Balaji will answer.
So, yeah, thank you. Yeah, so since Stanley was taking care of us and the bangla, and he's doing a lot of us by taking care of the bangla, and due to this few friends from the college, we informed us, we informed us about this college coming to our bangla and staying. So this was have a past experience, and we travel to students problem solutions place, and he arranges a transport at us. He is doing a lot of hard work these days, and so I like to appreciate that that Stanley should do this hard work in the future.
So, sir, this question is for you, sir. I am really very happy that you have answered every question very honestly. So, we learned a great lesson about your life, knowing about your life, sir. So, this question also you have to answer honestly, sir. Past 2 weeks, did you done any mystical work with your friends or with anyone, sir?
Well, if you speak about mystical work, I would re-term it as adventure. I have a lot of adventurous mindset, and I sometimes venture into various strange activities to interest myself and interest the people around. Yeah, to answer very precisely, it was a serum that was introduced in the World War II time, and I was very interested to read about the article. And in the modern days, I was very curious to know if the serum would be available. And I referred to my friend about that idea. My friend was really good. His name is Gilbert Daniel. So we call him GD. So Gilbert Daniel has been really attuned with my concept. We both are like-minded people. So honestly, Gilbert was really sharp and fast, and with a couple of amount of bunches of money, Gilbert was able to get me a couple of bottles of this serum. Okay. And that serum has been administered to some people because I wanted people to see this bungalow's events in my view. Best way to take. Kalpita, you hear us, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I want to ensure that there is a kind of a merging of the thoughts. So that serum was a very good bridgement of the merging of the thoughts between me and them. So to answer your question, the serum bringing by Gilbert Daniel was the mystical thing that you asked. That was something that happened to his life. So you made someone to consume that? Well, friends. I did not make you know because the girls' limitations Balaji was the first person who. Balaji had been taking green tea ever since he came into the bungalow. And my maid was very much keen and clean in making the green tea as syrup-like substance. And that's come back. I didn't even know that it was a serum, and he consumed it several times.
You made everyone of us consume that. You even made us to consume it?
It's honest revelation. Kalpita Sri did ask a question. The green tea was tasting different, and from then onwards, she started taking cold coffee, which was available in the refrigerator. And Kalpita's best friend was the refrigerator. Each time she woke up and she went to the refrigerator, she took up the cold coffee, and she was drinking as if she was a sprinter for about 300 meters or so. Every time she was consuming cold coffee like water. This guy, I was expecting Gilbert to mix a little bit of more serum to make somebody tall, because this guy is standing 3 feet or 2 feet, so I always wanted him to grow faster. But still, this guy, when he was having the rose milk, he had that serum. And when she had her filter coffee, she had that serum. And Lilishi with her, when she had her milk, she had the serum. And Vishnupriya over here, when she was consuming the mango pulp juice, she had the serum. And you have been having the serum instead of water. I made it as a rose water kind of a substance. So you mentioned it yourself, the adventurous thing. Yes, the adventurous thing was making all best friends of mine consume the serum. And even Victoria and Glory people have also consumed the serum.
What is the purpose for doing it?
Did you see the old lady? Martin Franklin and Sheriff?
Yes, sir.
Those were the ones who were murdered in this bunker. And I wanted to make you people meet my old friends. And the old friends came to meet me.
So you murdered them?
Obviously.
Then why do you want to see them again?
I might have made a mistake. I was trying to only hurt them. But when I hit heavily on their head, they fell down. And all of the people, for the old lady, you might have seen a little bit of a scar over here for the old lady. She was slashed. I didn't mean to slit the throat, but she get the throat slit and she fell down. And standing, when I'm hitting on the head, when somebody screams because of the pain, you get a wonderful feeling that is into them. So I wanted to re-telecast that thing, and I wanted them to come back. But you people instantaneously fulfill their wishes. They went back. If you had not fulfilled the wishes, they could have been there. And I would have shown you a re-telecast of how I had killed those 4 individuals. The fun was missing. And somebody like Village Brinda looking at the murder and the kind of expression on the Brinda's face, that would have been priceless, right? Somebody like C.V. Harithan screaming ups and down. Somebody like Kalpita Sri removing her spectacles and coming and stopping me doing that and getting a slap on her face. All those, and a big mouth Mitra coming and speaking to me and getting slashed. All these things have been missed.
So it's a sin. They must have written a biography on you. The author has started, almost has finished on.
Oh yeah, author Kalpita Sri, please add, it's not actually 4 murders, it's 5. My uncle is the 5th one. For the legal hire thing, there were some problems in the signatures, and my uncle was speaking too much.
Stanley sir, I have never thought you were such rude and wicked. If so, I would have never initiated to write the biography of yours. But I have one thing to be asked to you. There is a delusion and talks over the public that you have given a serum to a lot of soldiers and tortured them mentally, and that's why our country lost in a war. What do you think about that, sir?
That's not delusional Kalpita Sri. That's a real school of thought, and it's a fact. I did. No, I killed more people than the people who could be dead in war, because for some reason during my post-depression days, I started thinking that murder is a real fine yoga. So when I murdered someone and they scream, I get pleasure, complete pleasure. Like, holding the big hand and then holding his neck and crunching the next bone gives me extreme pleasure. And when the person screams, that gives even more pleasure. And sometimes, killing without, Kalpita Sri, Your Majesty, the author, the respectful author, there are plenty of ways and means of killing people. Like this guy over here, Victoria Call Glory is Aswatham. He actually happened to be my junior. And I always wanted to kill him by breaking his jaw. Okay, so if you give me an extra of 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I will do that. And that guy Ritan, who is now sleeping without the knowledge of what is happening here. So I wanted to take his tongue out and I wanted to cut that down because he keeps saying the tongue gets slit and tongue gets slit. So Guru Prasanna. Okay, so Guru Prasanna is a tall guy and I wanted to hang him. And Mohit Sandil Kumar, the guy who has been living in the US for several years and he has just now come to India. And I wanted to drown him into the swimming pool and kill. So for each of them, I've got a plan. And your killing is a different plan, Kalpita Sri. I will show that in action.
Sir, I have dropped the idea of writing an biography on you, sir. Out of character, since the author has no scope here on, the character played by me will be converted into the gardener of Mr. Stanley, and the interviewers can ask the questions to me also. Sibi, out of character, Sibi, you ask some question to Sir. Sibi, come on.
Author, before you get into your limousine and go back home because you don't have a job in interviewing Stanley, go back safe. There is no guarantee from Stanley's bungalow to way back home. So you better go back safe. And if you want, say hi to the gardener. She will be standing right there. And she looks exactly like you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Somebody did you the bad things or you did the
All these murders are subjects of retaliation. And when I was in the college, I was always undermined. I was put at the back shelf. Nobody gave me the proper importance that I deserved and needed. And that was the real reason for me to get into the act of killing spree. And I still do it. I know one day I will be caught into the iron hands of the justice and they are going to take me out. But to answer your question, the college and my school people have treated me so badly, and that's why I'm doing this. And would you like to see them? A few of them are here. So these people have come and they have passed into the glory of the celebration for the past 10 days. And they have been living here as if it was their hostel, as if it was their wonderful palace or something. And they breathe the same air that I breathe. They had the same food that I had. And they were having a lot of feasts. They were having a lot of juices and all that. Now, the amount of blood they got out of my food is going to be taken out. And I'm going to kill each of them. And there is no way they can run out of Stanley. Do you want to know any other stuff, Mr. Sibia?
No. Greetings, you want to answer after the show?
Have you seen Joker movie? Did you watch it? Does anyone have seen Joker movie? Remember how the Joker kills the basic outline of the Joker movie is about the depressed person, right? If you read it, yes. So Mr. Robert De Niro gets killed for the last minute. You know Robert De Niro and Joker. Okay, reasons very much the same. And in the Joker movie climax, there will be fellow clowns. They will be saving him, and he'll be standing on a very big wagon, and he will give this world class look, and that's a beautiful sight. I'll also give a beautiful sight. You can watch it. Okay, right? Yeah.
Sir, when you answer, what you will do that, sir? You're going to.
I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission. Like I will go inside the jail and I will teach lessons to those people. And people who have done national crimes will be motivated to do international crimes. People who have done small killings will be taught to do major killings. People who have seen tiny little ghosts like Veshikunda will be taught to see a lot of ghosts, just like you all saw the old lady and Franklin, Martin and Sheriff, right? Okay, so a cold-blooded training will be happening in the jail.
No. You will definitely have it.
I'm a master of murder. Call me the master.
Your end will be very soon.
When you see things, then they go get to the court and
Come on, Sivya, then you are very rude to me. Okay, fine. So let me give you a chance. You're all journalists, right? Go and ask my gardener. I'm doing good for the people. The people who are living along with me, the person who served milk for all you people, the person who served lunch breakfast for all you people. My gardener is ready. Okay, so that is my gardener. Out of Calcutta, Kalpita Street. That's my gardener. So you can ask some questions to the gardener. Gardener Maria, are you here?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
See, such a wonderful lady, and she is like a kind of a sister to me, and she has always been admiring whatever I have been doing, and she knows whatever I have been doing. So if you've got any questions, as good journalists, ask some questions to the gardener.
So,
You're
ma'am.
scared, Bhuveshwar? You're scared? You're scared?
You are scared.
I'm not going to murder you so soon. It'll take some time.
So, ma'am, is it real? What he was saying is it's really happening in your life and it's real, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. What is wrong in this? It is his hobby to kill people, like how people kill animals for their Sunday. It is his hobby to kill people and murder them. It is such a pleasure killing people, ma'am, that when you get the blood out of them, it is the real bliss. Even if you read the books, you will not get such bliss. So after being with him, I also started liking all those, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Sandy, one last question and we continue with the interview. So, you said to Divya
2 minutes.
Sir, you don't have a solution for
Check no. No time out of care. Time is
Sir, yes, sir, I wanted to ask one now, sir. So now we
I mentioned I will follow 20 minutes.
Yes, sir.
20
Sir,
minutes.
other things, sir. Sir, now you have performed this type of act, right, sir? Like you were the murderer.
நீங்க இதெல்லாம் பிரசன்ட்லாம் பண்ண வேண்டாம். நீங்க வந்து குயிக்கா அதை ரோல் அவுட் பண்ணி இப்போ ஸ்டான்லி வந்து உங்களுடைய கேஸ் ஸ்டடியில வந்துட்டு சீரம் அப்படின்ற அந்த விஷயத்தை நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். அதை நீங்க சொல்லிட்டு சொல்யூஷன் என்னங்கிறது குயிக்கா ரோல் அவுட் பண்ணி இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு டைரக்ட் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ்
25 minutes.
நம்ம 22 minutes.
நான் 18 minutes sir. நான் டக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணுறேன்.
அவனுக்கு கேள்வி நடக்கும்.
Sir, I think
Friends, you have 25 minutes. Enjoy.
Because only.
அதுக்கு நீங்க டைம் எடுத்து
Yes, sir.
அதுக்கு நீங்க கஷ்டப்பட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணீங்க அது
Yeah,
நீங்க
because I have different.
நீங்க எனக்கு கொடுத்த ரோலை நான் ஆக்ட் பண்ணேன்.
Yes, sir.
அது உங்க ஐடியா தான். அதுக்கான மார்க் கொடுக்குறேன்.
Sir, I will conclude with this.
Yeah. Time resume.
Yes.
3, 2, 1 go.
Okay, Mr. Sandy, so I will conclude with this question. So you told us Divya about your machine. So in case if your machine failed, what you will do?
Brinda, you have to understand. Stanley is in the graveyard. What you are seeing is the metamorphosis of Stanley's spirit. Their friend Stanley has been murdered. Yeah, murdered. Murdered by Stanley himself. I'm a spirit. You cannot catch me. Just like you saw the spirit all day. Mitra was able to catch her. I was watching her. Mitra was solacing by just gazing on her head. And Sanjay Glasgow was giving a fist bump to Franklin. Asuthaman gave a high five to Martin. Mridubashmi gave a handshake. So like this, you can touch me. So like them, I'm also a spirit. So you're speaking to a ghost.
So when what makes you happy when these human beings come?
You asked me. See, I died even before enjoying these pleasures. So now I'm coming back to the life and I'm having more pleasure. It's like having a wonderful feast. You see, if you're having chicken sandwich, 3 chicken sandwiches and 1 lemonade, and your metabolism surges and your stomach is full, but you still have the desire for the chicken sandwich. So what do? You wait for 2.5 hours. Again, you go and grab the fifth one and 1 more glass of lemonade. And what do? You quench the hunger. And and again you wait for 2 more hours, and you go and have the 6th one, right? So this is the thing. So the 2 chicken sandwiches which are sitting near me, and I'm going to kill them first, and then I will come to you, and then I will come to them, and then I will come to them, him. So, you know, it's a wonderful, it's a wonderful experience.
So you are doing everything purposefully?
Exactly. You got it right. You are a smart journalist. So, like, because of that, I'm giving you a reward. You'll be the last person to do it. Don't lie. Okay? You'll wait. Praise out of character. So, a turn of events that you people have, I mean, Team CBI came up with the idea of serum, and that serum is given for the people for getting confrontation with the spirit. So Stanley is a crazy, tricky guy who has, in this story of CBI, they have a different story. In this story of CBI team, Stanley is dead long back, and he is only a ghost in the spirit, and they are trapped into this particular bungalow. So Stanley's ghost is what is speaking, because Stanley is basically a twisted mind guy, and after his PG graduation, he committed suicide. And now they are all witnessing. Because of the effect of the serum, they are all witnessing Stanley.
Then what is the exact story created?
இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டான்லி பங்களா அப்படிங்கிறதுக்குள்ள நீங்க எல்லாரும் வந்து வெளியில போக முடியல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு ஸ்கிட் மாதிரி பண்ணலான்ட்டு வந்துச்சு. பட் அது நீங்க ஒவ்வொரு ரவுண்டுக்கும் நிறைய டைம் எடுத்துக்கிறதுனால என்னுடைய பிளான் நான் கன்சல்ட் பண்ணேன். நீங்க ஒரு ரவுண்டுக்கு 30 நிமிஷம் டீம் டாக்கும் 30 நிமிஷம் பிரசன்டேஷன் பண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு ரவுண்டுக்கும் ஒரு டீமுக்கு 1 மணி நேரம் தேவைப்படுச்சு. ஸோ தட் கன்சியூம் 3 days. ஸோ ஐ ஹேவ் டு பிளான். பட் அந்த ஐடியா எப்படி இருந்ததுங்கிறது ஸ்கிட் மாதிரி கொண்டு வரத நான் இங்க வந்துட்டு டு மேக் த லாங் ஸ்டோரி ஷார்ட் நான் இங்க ஸ்கிம் பண்ணி சொல்லிட்டேன். பரவாயில்ல, இட்ஸ் நாட் அ லாஸ். இப்போ நீங்க ஆமா பிரசன்டேஷன் நவ யூ கேன் பிரசன்ட் த சொல்யூஷன். நீங்க
So even in our presentation, the story is similar.
நீங்க எப்படி சொல்றீங்க அதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம
On game.
இது இவங்க ஐடியா. நீங்க டீம் டாக் பண்றது போது சீரம் பத்தி விஷ்ணு பிரியா சொன்னாங்க. சோ நான் சொல்றேன் நீங்க பண்ணுங்க. ஆமா நான் நீங்க இவங்க கொடுக்குற ஐடியாவை தான் நான் இங்க பண்ணேன்.
Okay, sir. 2 minutes we now want to explain.
இவங்க கொடுத்த ஐடியாவை நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், ஸ்டாண்டிங்கிற அந்த கேரக்டர் எப்படி டீல் பண்ணுவீங்க, உங்க கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி கொண்டு வாங்க. இவங்க கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி சீரம் ஐடியா அப்படிங்கிற கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி இப்ப சொல்யூஷன் கொடுப்பாங்க. அது ரெண்டுக்கும் தான் மாறும். இந்த கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி ஸ்டோரி லைன் which I acted upon. நீ வந்து என்ன ஹோஸ்ட் ஆக்ட் பண்ண சொன்னீங்க போன ரவுண்ட்ல. அதான் நான் இங்க பண்ணிருக்கேன். அவங்க கொடுத்ததை நான் ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இப்ப சொல்யூஷன் பார்த்து மாறுது. அதே மாதிரி உங்களுக்கும் அது நீங்க என்ன ரோல் எனக்கு கொடுப்பீங்க, எப்படி யோசிச்சு வச்சிருக்கீங்க, என்ன சொல்யூஷன் கொடுப்பீங்க அப்படிங்கிறது. Go ahead.
Sir, out of character, sir, one small.
Oh, I did just. Balaji, Kalpita, satisfied?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. One small clarification, sir. So we got the expectation that we had was you are a very rude person, sir, and you are something we didn't have this visualization, sir, that you are the murderer, but somehow related, sir. So with that we got the solution.
Because of that, time இல்ல எனக்கு. அதனால கோல்ட் பிளேடரா நடந்துட்டேன். ரூட விட கோல்ட் பிளேடரா சிரிச்சிட்டே பேசுறது தான் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை.
Yes, sir.
அதனால நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. You just present what you prepare. Oh, எது மாசாது.
Sir, small narration, sir, audience.
Not much.
Okay, we will finish.
அதனால தான் நான் இந்த லாஸ்ட் ரவுண்டுக்கு ஒரு ஃபுல் டே ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். கைலாஷ்ல கேன்சல் பண்ணதுக்காக several weeks later. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please. So now the approach.
அவருடைய டம்மி கொஞ்சம் நல்லாவே வரும். ஒரே புஸ்கோட் தான் போட்டு வந்திருக்காரு.
So this is the phase 2. That is, this is going to be the approach where we are going to provide the solutions. That is, when sir explained us, he mentioned the second part. That is how the travel plan, how we are going to get back on the strategies. And this is the approach. That is phase number 2. What is it? Several weeks later, we are actually facing a press conference. People came to know that we are survivors from this big Stanley Bangla, and as people have just it was a live telecast, the show was a live telecast, and people came to know about the evil powers of Stanley, and that's why we have a separate press conference to conference with the 7 people who have survived from that Bangla. And sir, for extra creativity, we prepared one particular report, sir, a newspaper headline, sir. So this actually intimates that we are going to have the press conference at 6 p.m. sir. I had other information is down, so I am not able to scroll down, sir. The there is some issue with this one.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yes, sir. So getting back to this, sir. Now we are going to
Note it down. It is, you have put an
Yes.
extra effort for the newspaper, etc. Note it.
Yes, sir. So next we are going to start with the paragraphs and our leader is going to start first, sir.
You go to Boma Market.
Good evening, Madam President here. We are going to say that how we are going to our house. First, I'm going to say my idea. My idea is first we can say that our officer is calling. That like we said, and we go outside and we sit somewhere, a beautiful place. Then we can realize how we are come here. That like we realize, then we say something and I want water. We can say. Then he go and take the water. We can go. That time we can go outside.
So first, Malajana would say his part of solutions for traveling time.
Yes, ma'am.
Conclusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Malajana.
So yes, sir. So for my travel plan, my idea is that same transport that Stanley has offered to us by for which the solutions that Stanley arranges a transport to go to a particular place and solve each and every individual's problems. So we can use the same transport that Stanley offered us, and we can we can make it to the our place as soon as possible. Um, since Sir told Stanley was supposed, so the second idea is cut off, and so my next is we can speak to the transporter being seen by any of the Stanley's parents. So this is my our plan. Is forward to the next one.
Okay, since it's a spirit, the second idea is ruled out.
Yes, sir. Vishnupriya.
So my idea to get out of this bungalow is we actually he has given us all these theorems so that he gets his mind deviated.
நீங்க சொல்லு. நீங்க prepare பண்ணத மாத்த வேண்டாம்.
So he has he asked us to go in his vehicles to our respective houses, but we all denied because we all saw the flight telecast and we.
It's like Brinda கேட்ட கொஸ்டினுக்கு அவன் போய் சொல்லிருக்கான்.
Yes.
He's alive.
Oh.
நீங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Yes.
சும்மா போய் சொல்லிருக்கான்.
So he what he did was well we all denied this. Then our college staff and professors, they called us and they said that we'll send vehicles for you to return back to our college because there is an important event that is going to happen and that will be explained by the next person. So that we have to go back to our college. So they said they will arrange the vehicles for us, but unfortunately what happened was the vehicles were stuck and there were some issues for the vehicles to come here. Then we all struggled what to do, and that time what Stanley did was he just gave us the recovery serum that was we all denied to take up that, and we all thought we would go say this to everyone and to steal this bunga. So he just secretly put the recovery serum in all our water bottles, which we consumed it without any of us notice. So then we all agreed to get back to our colleges in Stanley's vehicles. This is my direction. Over to the next one.
Right.
Greetings everyone. So now me as Kalpita Shri from Pioneer Unicorn Arts and Science College from Chennai as a BSc Biology student. The author said she won't write the story of Stanley, but what happened? She wrote an article and she started to fill pages about. So we shall. What we are doing is we are saying to Stanley that the author is calling for helping her to write, and since we know more about you, we were the person who stayed with you. We want to accompany her and help her with writing the article. So Stanley is proud and he leaves all of us there. That is what we have assumed as. And the group of college students promises to meet Stanley whenever he is in need of help. After writing the article and after the article is published, Stanley will definitely feel proud about himself, and he will sometimes boast about himself. At that time, and when he is in need of help, the college students of Pioneer Unicorn Arts and Science College, they have promised him to meet again. Over to the next person to explain about their solution.
So all greetings from all persons over here. So now I am going to tell about my travel plan that I have an idea for all. My idea is we are having semester exam first October, so we want to go through and we have to prepare for all. Since we are staying here for the past 10 days, we didn't prepare anything. So we should have some separate time for preparing for all exams and semesters. So we are fast approaching to localities and. As Rishikesh said, we consume the recovery serum without our knowledge. So, we forgot all the things that we saw as the old lady, the priest friends, and all. So, we couldn't share those things with the youngsters and the media.
Okay.
Over to the next.
So you people have not made Stanley a very big bad guy.
I know a person, sir, who is having legal power and not to the extent of murdering others, sir. We thought you will bring something, sir, but we can't able to shoot, sir. No problem, sir. We will not use it. No problem. Thank you, sir.
Sir, as we are all experts in multitasking, we are doing some, as a team, we are doing a part-time job, sir. We also want to contribute on that. So, we convey this to Stanley, so he accepts and he makes the arrangements for going back to our place.
But my thinking was Stanley is a very notorious person. நீங்க வந்து அவனுக்கு நல்லவனா பார்த்துருக்கீங்க, நான் ஒரு கீ கேரக்டரா தான் வச்சிருக்கேன்.
So then I am Rizalma presenting, sir. We will try, we are not going to say, we will try modifying a little, sir.
இன்னும் 1.5 நிமிஷம் தான் இருக்கு. நீ இருந்தா தான் ஸ்பீக்கர் person.
So you mentioned that don't just stand.
Yeah, correct. Good.
So greetings everyone. So my part of solution is we are actually college students. So we are actually approaching to a bungalow. So actually there are two bungalow which Sandy. There are two bungalow name called Sandy. Actually the bungalow which we went through is illusion. So in this illusion, as you mentioned in interview, actually we had a serum. So with the help of the serum only, we can able to see that illusion bungalow. So that we come, there only all things happen, like the task 1, task 2, everything has happened. So that time we don't know that everything was script, and we come to and we are actually facing everything with our creative plans and everything. So when we come to know different about Stanley, so he actually gave us recovery serum. So with that recovery serum, we can't see that bungalow. We can see only the real bungalow which we have, which we want to which our college professors and principals send us to. So there actually due to the serum we came to a wrong bungalow, which is illusion bungalow, which is by Stanley, and we consumed the recovery serum. In that we cannot able to say whatever happened inside the bungalow. We cannot reveal it to others. So but at last, after consuming this recovery serum, we safely go to our native.
Good job. You must stand here, you will pay with it.
So now each one of us are giving their brainstorm idea before they return back to their locality. They actually had brainstorm And that's why when people are questioning them to reveal those ideas, in the press conference, each one are giving various ideas. So you might think that it is not relevant, sir. Like if my idea is not relevant to Mrs. Priyanka's idea, it is not needed for cohesiveness, sir. But each and every idea must be involved and taken up. So that's why we continue. So coming to my solution. Continue. Sir, I have actually divided it into two phases for my solution. The first phase is we have come here to know about Stanley. Stanley was a very good study figure in college session. We have been his students. We wanted to know more about him, sir. And it was a college professor who have arranged this team of interviewers, sir. We said something to she, sir, that will be said in the second semester. But
very greedy idea. அப்படியே கையில இருந்து ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணிட்டு கவனிங்க லீடர் கலந்து பேர் கஷ்டம் பாருங்க
so we tried something fishing and we revealed the complete story and everything to our college professor. They being very humble, thankful to them. They helped the team of interviewers to know more about it. When a person is interviewed and when said not even a related person is writing a biography about him, that person will be feeling proud and somehow without his knowledge he will reveal a secret part, and that was our plan. That's why the college members can these interviewers, and that's why you Stanley revealed the secret about the serum, sir. So that's what the logic behind this. If someone is interviewed or if someone's biography is such a big thing, sir, being a non-Christian. If someone is actually asked to do that, that respective person would feel very proud, sir. So that's the logic behind my solution. He's a great person who is rich in multitasking, sir, and that's why he was our inspiration. But we not only came to know about his real image, that is how cruel, how rude, and being a murderer, how he has led his life. And finally, the last slide of this, last part of my solution, sir. You might be wondering, sir, there are actually, you might be wondering how we came to know about the serum. The first thing was, we went to the kitchen, and that's where we would have to give everyone breakfast, dinner, and at that time, once they saw a very small, minute bottle containing something strange liquid. The color, the smell was really, it did not distinguish the proper one, and that's why we felt fishy, and we asked our college professors to send this team. And the second thing is that's why we wanted him Stanley to reveal the truth himself. So that's how we found about the serum. Sir, we have a creative part, sir. As we come, we would be having very long time. We wanted to, as this is the last round of this whole activity, we wanted to make it so special, sir, by giving learning insights. Should we give it a start?
I'm able to see that.
Yes, sir.
You don't have time.
Okay, sir. At the side, I'm doing what?
Introspection, analyzing properly, creativity, don't have self-doubt, solutions for the problem. Actually, it's a very nice slide.
Thank
Give more for this.
you, sir.
Yeah, next slide.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Think before you speak, go for the self-discovery, adapt to the situation, make sure to coordinate with everyone. Smart work is better than hard work. I don't accept that. Teamwork, contribution, versatile behavior.
That's it, sir. This is the report that I found. That's it, sir. Thank you so much for this.
Great report presentation. Good job, team.
Thank you so much, sir. Well done, friends.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you so much, Ashitama. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Ashwataman. Thank you, Lakshmana.
Well done, friends. It was really beautiful.
Thank you so much, Ashwataman.
Well done, friends.
Thank you, Guru Prasanna.
Sit down, everybody. Okay, so Team CBI then have finished successfully. Their standing on the competition. The presentation was pretty interesting. So happy with the way that you have done. The headlines, excerpts, and learning insights was good. Really good.
Thank
Okay,
you,
so
sir.
yeah. Now team Ritan Nitish, without any sort of further, shall do. Tell me, what am I supposed to do?
Sir, can you tell the time which you take, sir?
They had 6 minutes on Saturday,
Yes, sir.
and today they took 28 minutes.
34 minutes.
33 minutes.
Yes.
33 minutes.
So we have 30 minutes.
இல்ல அப்படி நீ உங்க சொல்யூஷன் என்ன பண்ண நீ வந்து 33 மினிட்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு நீ எடுத்துட்டு போக எனக்கு தெரியும் என்ன ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணீங்களோ அதை பண்ணுங்க
Okay.
திஸ் இஸ் நாட் டைம் பாம்
Okay.
அதிகமா டைம் எடுத்து பண்ணவங்களுக்கு போனதெல்லாம் கிடையாது சொல்யூஷன் சொல்லிட்டு முடிச்சு
Yes, sir. It's like within 20 minutes, sir.
பரவாயில்ல தட்ஸ் ஓகே இவங்களும் அது மாதிரி தான் இவங்க வால்யூம் எடுத்துட்டாங்க அப்புறம் நான் கொஞ்சம் அதிகம் டைம்
Okay.
ஸோ இவங்க பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பார்த்தா 20 மினிட்ஸ் தான் 8 மினிட்ஸ் நான் எடுத்தேன்
Okay.
அவங்க என்ன சீரம் பத்தி சொல்லணும்னு தான் சொன்னாங்க நான் கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பிட் எல்லாம் போட்டு 8 நிமிஷம் ஸோ அதில் 28 நிமிஷத்துல 8 நிமிஷம் நான் எடுத்தேன் ஸோ எப்படி பார்த்தாலும் 20-25 மினிட்ஸ் டைம் வேணுங்கிறது தான் அவங்க
Yes.
ஸோ நீங்க வந்து டோன்ட் வரி அபவுட் தி டைம்
Okay.
ஃபினிஷ் வாட் யூ ஹேவ் டு டைம்
Okay. Yes. Sir, so should I say that it now I'll come direct?
சரி
Sir, நான் கீழே போயிட்டேன் sir. கீழே போயிட்டேன் sir. வந்து பார்க்க போயிட்டேன் sir.
ஆமா
Sir, first வந்து நான் எல்லாரும் experiences and standards ஒரு report attendance sir. அப்போ the journal writing ஒரு நாள் வந்து நான் அதெல்லாம் நான் வீடியோ ஸ்கைப்ல ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு போறேன். நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணேன் சார். இந்த ஸ்டாண்ட் வந்து அவருக்கு ஸ்டாண்ட் நீங்க ஒரு பார்த்தா நான் எல்லாரும் வந்து எடுத்து மாட்டேன் சார். Date, times, how standing prepared in the sir. So we present all this, sir. Sir, movies, a person is writing a letter to someone, then when the person is reading the letter you see that the person who has written it himself is reading it, despite him not being present. There are no money for the journal page, we all will come there. We'll read as if we have written the journal, sir. And then we'll do all that. Then we have two speech sequences, sir. Actually, there have been 4 instances where we have noticed restraint being when the word woman, we have done that. Then the 3 youngsters, sir. Then we have added 2 more conversations. We have recorded it, sir, without their knowledge, so that we can see and we will first present all the rules which we must, sir. So once a young boy comes and he says, he speaks to us, sir, then we call him and say, oh, this young boy, I know him, leaving this. Then we ask to tell his name, you are not able to tell his name, sir. We just walk away, sir. Then a sick man comes and approaches us. We call him, oh, this guy, I know this guy. Then we ask his name to you, sir, you don't know him, sir. So those sequences will finish with what you know, sir. So first, for the first 15 minutes, we will show you all the proofs that we have, sir. Then for the next like 10 minutes or 12 minutes, we are going live stream, sir. Like Asatana is an anime, sir. Where emojis are coming out, like live stream, sir. Then we are questioning you live stream, sir. Live. And for the travel plans, we will ask, you can, so far I told you, actually you can imagine any scenario of yourself. And then while speaking to you, we will tell our travel plans, you on live.
சரி இது நீ அப்படியே பண்ணு நான்
Yes, we haven't made separate slides for
No, no.
live இருக்கும்போதே நான் சொல்லிடுவேன்.
we don't get
Sir, for the first 20 seconds, we follow and we'll give you secure and then we'll show you, sir.
இந்த மாஸ்க் கேட்டு அந்த கணக்கு வருது
ஒரு கேட்டு வச்சுட்டு கொடுத்தாங்க sir.
மெரூன் ஷர்ட்டுக்கு ரெட் எடுத்து வந்துக்கலாம்
Sir, நான் டிஸ்ப்ளே பண்ணிட்டேன்.
மாத்தி உங்களுக்கு எப்படி வேணும்
Friends,
ஆடியன்ஸ் will come here you will not come
sir, you will be the center. Yes, sir, நீங்க சென்டர்ல இருக்கீங்க. உங்களுக்கு நாங்க போட்டு காமிக்கிறோம், உங்களை சுத்தி நாங்க இருப்போம்.
எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் மீ சார்
ஆனா சார் சுத்தி உட்காருங்க, சரிங்களா?
சார் நீங்க ஹீரோவா இருந்தாலும் வில்லனா இருந்தாலும் நடுவுல தான் சார் உட்கார்றீங்க.
காமெடினா இருந்தா நல்லதான உட்கார்றேன்
அசோதான் நீங்க சான்ஸ் இருக்கு. We are surrounding, sir.
So, okay.
மித்ரா
Sir.
கேமரா கொஞ்சம்
Sir, will be sitting here, we'll come inside. So we'll ask you to come and wait for us, sir. Then we'll come inside and we'll ask, why did you call me here?
Okay.
Then 20 seconds we'll say that we have to show you something. Come on, please, come on.
So I'll have to sit here or I'll.
Sir, you sit here, sir.
Okay.
As soon as you start the camera, we'll come.
Right.
Sir, I can keep this as a book while
Yeah. Sure.
Then greet everyone and we'll start the proceedings, okay?
like you're reading a book.
Okay, Ritan?
Alright, so sit back and enjoy. They have made a drama
Hey,
sequence.
Ritan. Sorry.
Hey, Sarude.
Let's say good evening, everyone, and we'll get into the sequence, okay? Don't take too long.
Okay, now.
Okay, now.
Alright, the timer starts. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Good evening, everyone.
Now let's get into the sequence. Hey, stand. Stand the audience.
Alright, sit down.
Do you know why we call you?
Why did you call me? It's been very boring. I have been taking my chores and I have sacrificed all the time and I've come here. Why? I mean, was there a problem in dinner serving or something? You did not get your portion or something?
You're acting very, in a very strange and weird manner.
I'm acting in what manner? I'm acting in what?
We'll show you. Mohan bro, you have that thing that we have.
Did you all have your dinner, everybody?
Yes,
What?
Can you please show the video?
Yeah. This is very serious time. Okay. So these are some mysterious occurrences that we had in our
Mysterious occurrences.
The old woman, the 3 youngsters, then the young boy and the sick man. We have video footages. We'll show you a bit later. Go to the next slide, please, Mohan. Okay. So we have written all this down about you. Go to the next slide.
Is it really necessary? We have to do this?
We have. Hello, read this.
Friends, am I audible?
Yes, start.
So, as everyone knows, Stanley is really acting in a strange way, and he's always afraid of coming near to us, and always blabbering something, and afraid, always sweating is coming from him, and he's always sitting alone in his kitchen and the lounge, and I don't know what's happening with him.
Next slide, please.
Unreal. You have your own journal?
We learned this in emergency. We told you to come with us to the class. You never came.
This is such a boring institution.
Yeah, so sir, as Nitin already mentioned, yes, you've been acting really weird, and I tried many. I got many solutions, and I couldn't execute them, or just I consulted my friends that you've been acting really weird and what to do. I said my idea to them, and it's like now that's why we are.
Okay.
Just don't know how to say.
So, what is this journal? Journal means what?
Writing down another experiences with you.
Writing about another person's experience is what is journal. Why did you write about me, man?
What we noticed is
Yeah, daily attention.
Okay. Okay, one thing is for sure, both Ritin and Ashwathaman are not happy. Mohit is also having a journal. Yeah. You also registered your complaint, man. Come on.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. So this is my journal entry 227 journal entry. I've been observing Stanley for a while. I'm starting to wonder if his name is really Stanley and if he is really our friend. Me and my friends have decided that he is becoming very suspicious and we should need to take action plan against this. So I have some solutions. Um, we should have a spy drone on him since this is the year 2021. We can have a drone on him and the drone could follow him sometimes, and we can also record our conversations with him. We can also study his body language to see what kind of stuff he is hiding from us and how weird is he acting around us. We could also hook Stanley up to a lie detector test and ask him questions and see if he's telling the truth or not. Continue on to the next person.
Mind Victor.
Come on, Guru.
Yes, good evening, everyone. So, Stanley has been acting so weird, and he's ignoring ourselves, ignoring myself and his best friend, and his bangla is also so strange. Many strangers arrived. First was the old lady who arrived, and the three young boys. How did they arrive? We don't know. How did they go out? Also, we don't know. So I think Stanley has been acting so weird. For that, I have a solution. We can record him, and we can see his like emotions uh, 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 and body language of Stanley.
Yeah, so, so in the beginning, I never thought Stanley would be like this, but when days passed, we too came to know about Stanley's weird, behaving weird. We had very critical situations. Stanley pretended to act like everything is normal. He was a bit rude to us in many situations where when we witnessed the unknown persons were in Bangla. I too think Stanley's Bangla was very
The next slide. Okay. 10th July 2021, 6:45 p.m. Stanley has been acting in a weird way for the past few days. We've been here for 2 days and we've never seen him act this weird. Stanley has been my friend for almost half a decade. I've known him. He knows me. He knows each one of us. We all have a special relationship with him, despite the fact that he was our senior. He never behaved as if he was a senior. Always, hung out with us. We had a great time. But suddenly, we feel that sometimes he's ignoring us. Sometimes he's going and talking to people whom no one has seen before. He sometimes keeps talking to himself. He doesn't care about his friends anymore, and sometimes he's rude to them. We feel like he lives in a world of his own, and we have never seen Stanley being this weird before. So that's why we have spent 5 days into studying Stanley, investigating him, and we want to talk with him. We want to know what exactly is wrong with him because we have never seen Stanley like this. We have never seen him speaking to people, and even the people whom Stanley introduces, they disappear after 2 or 3 days. We don't know what's happening. Thank you. Next slide. So now we'll play you a video clip about how we planned all this.
Hello.
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 Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Wait. Dude, 1 second. We are discussing something here. We all know why you are here.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
hope I know why I'm here.
Yeah.
In
Shall I
the
guess?
past few days, I don't know if you guys noticed it. Stanley has been acting very strange, and I've even written down about him in my journal, like how strange he is. And every day he does something new. Have you all noticed it?
Yeah,
Yeah, I have also write in the journal. What about you, Sanjana? No. Yeah, he's acting so weird.
Every now and then a new guy comes up and he says that he's with him and he knows that person. You know that young boy who refused to reveal his name. When he came, Stanley said that he knew that young boy. Right, Mohit? You saw that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. We don't know.
Like,
Yeah,
Ritan,
what
what?
just happened?
Yeah, I think he's like really acting so strange. I think we should do something to find what's happening with him.
Yeah, we have to
yeah,
find.
he's been avoiding us and
talking to strange person, talking to with the air and talking to unknown numbers also.
You see the good how strange he is being.
Yes, na he in the ninth day we saw about man, but he was available for 8 days now. But once he arrived in the ninth day, Stanley told he knew him. He was
Hmm.
very
Yeah, let's start recording him from now on. Whenever we talk to him, we'll start recording him, and then we'll find out the truth. Okay?
Yeah.
A good idea now.
End it, okay? I have to attend.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
bye bye.
Let's
Kindly drink coffee with it's going to go
yeah.
in vain.
Okay. Bye.
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 So we met at a coffee shop and we discussed about this.
Why did we go to the coffee shop when there is a very big bungalow here? And first of all, what is the necessity for this?
He wanted to know what's wrong. You know, this you're not the Stanley of 5 years now. You know.
I am not really comfortable with this kind of investigation mode that you people have got your minds into. You people are speaking about me at the back, and first of all, going out of the bungalow without my permission was not actually a good
No, it's like the coffee bar inside the premises.
Yeah, I know that person is running by contract and he's paying me. That's a dismay for me. When I'm having so many maid, I'm having so many serving people who are willing to help you. Okay, go ahead. Okay, fine. So I am strange. Yes, I am weird. What are you going to do further?
Or we'll go to the next one. Yeah, we have noticed a few things about the first 5 days. Ritan will explain about the first thing, how you were wearing the first thing.
So Stanley, if, I hope you didn't not know anything because you are the person who runs this whole place, and I don't think no one noticed this, but we five of us have noticed this, and whenever you like come and we are coming near you, you're just avoiding us, and it's like getting really annoying, and this is one thing which I really identified from you, and the thing is you are really avoiding your best friends from the college, and it's not good.
No, bro, go to the previous slide once. Yeah. Now, Sanjay will explain to you what weird was happening on day 2.
We are speaking with unknown people and we are not present with
Mohit will explain about the third one.
Thank you, no. So, Stanley, you've been keeping distance from your family and friends. You're just going with strangers, and you're like telling them things that you should not tell strangers about where you live and what your friends are. And that's just you should always just stay with friends. Okay? Are you okay? Do you need any help? Do you have any problem? Continue on to the next person.
Now, Guru Krishna will explain the fourth one.
thank you, na. The fourth one, you were very in the fourth day we saw the old lady. You were arguing with us about the old lady that she was not available for the past 3 days, but he was in the fourth day. But you said you know him arguing with your best friends.
And now I'll explain the thing which we found here in the last day. So you have been blabbering something gibberish to yourself, and we noticed it. Whenever we were not near you, you were speaking to someone, like it was like you're speaking to someone, but no one is here. We don't understand why you should do it always.
Yes, I mentioned in the app.
Yeah. And we just look down. Let's go to the next statement. We are very close. We don't want it to be this weird, but still, look, Walt Disney. We have also put up your favorite quote. We still love you a lot. Look, you love Walt Disney, you love this quote. That's why we put it up for you.
The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. How do you know that I am not doing anything and I'm only talking? What kind of proof or evidence you people have collected that I am only a talker and not a doer? You tell me. Ritan, Nitish, Guru Prasanna, Mohit, how do you people know that I am only talking and not doing? I've been earning, man. I've been running stock market. I've been running commodity boards, and I'm doing my business. And I'm taking care of this entire bungalow, which has been hired by my uncle. And I'm doing plenty of things. Yeah, with them.
So one thing, Stanley, you have to remember that we are your friends, and I hope you remember that. And we know each other from college, and everyone knows that, and we are your friends first of all, and that is the main thing. We are like in the mood of helping you.
That's the reason why you are staying in my bungalow. Because you people are my friends, and I'm treating you and I'm feasting you by having you in the bungalow, and I'm giving you a proper respect. What else you want me to do? You people are still studying. I cannot take you as business partners of someone, and I should only treat you in this way that you are deserving.
And we will show you a footage, you'll understand.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Please. So now we are going to act out a small skit sequence where Ashwathaman will play a young boy and all of us will be in our normal roles. And then Sir comes in and he suddenly starts acting in a strange way. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. There, go. Robin. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you're going. Don't. Hey, Ritan, see.
Oh, hi, Anna. Hi.
Who are you? Who are you, bro?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Have you seen him?
You?
I'm the son of the
We
gardener.
haven't seen him.
Gardener. Wait, do we have a gardener here?
No, I think so. We don't have.
Hey, good.
What's his name?
Richard. He's a very smart kid, he's a very smart kid, and he takes care of, taking out of the
You
weeds.
told the gardener is not married yet.
Stanley, calm down. Why are you so afraid? Just calm down.
Who said I'm afraid? You give a tight slap on your face, and your big pump, 35 inches.
You are the person who is. Why are you sweating?
This is Richard, and he's a very sweet kid. I know him for several years. Okay, right? So I don't want him to. No, don't show that kind of the weird.
I haven't seen him before.
He is here for several years. Go, and I got a gaming console for you. Go.
Stanley, how do you know him?
He's been living here in this bungalow, dude. There are plenty of people whom we have not been introduced to. That's my mistake. Yeah, that's my mistake. Richard is one of them. You don't keep asking questions about the parental issues and all that, okay? This is my bungalow.
Okay.
And your tummy is carrying the rice that I have served you. Got it? Hey, you. You better advise to your friend, okay? And Richard should not be disrespected, okay? So show some love. Hey, Edithan, next time you speak, your lower lip will be toned down. You understood? That big bunching lower lip.
Freeze. Now, in this sequence, a sick man comes in and let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. Stomach is aching, guys. You have some medicine for something.
Who are you?
No. You don't know me?
How did you come
Stanley,
inside?
look, they don't know me.
Yes, Lucy.
Tell my name, Stanley, come on.
Akbar.
Yeah, I'm
Akbar Badsha.
Akbar Badsha.
Akbar Badsha. And Akbar Badsha is suffering from ulcer. Why didn't you take your medicine? Then I've been
misplaced the box somewhere.
It's in your heart, okay? Go to your hut, get some fresh air, and sleep well, okay? Time is 11:45, and you're not supposed to be awake.
Okay, sir.
Get back.
Thank you, sir.
What are you talking to these people causing disrespect?
Yeah, they were. Who are.
I told you, there is a limit. Yes, I'm your good friend, but there is a limit, okay? So you don't even know this guy. He's like my uncle, okay? Right?
Yeah, I'm his uncle.
Yeah.
I like his uncle, sir.
In fact, don't talk much to these people. These people are tiny little curious individuals, okay? Right. Yeah.
Excuse me, Stanley. Can I ask you one question?
Mohit, Guru Prasanna, and Ritan Nitish, you are seeing from the video conferencing. I know that you are in the third story of the bungalow, and if you have any guts You come down and speak to me eye to eye. Don't keep on showing in the LCD monitor. Yeah, what do you have? Ratan Nitish.
So can you just say in which room he's living? There's like almost like 100 rooms, and can you just say in which room he's living?
Hey, Diamond. I have got almost about 175 huts built for my scavengers, and he is living exactly in the 13th hut. Get a life. Go sleep.
Sir, but he doesn't look like he's from that religion, from the name.
He's been converted. Okay? He got married to a girl 35 years back, and he got converted.
35 years back, what happened? How are you standing?
I'm doing good.
35 years back, what
Excuse
happened?
me, Stanley.
Mohit.
How did you meet with him?
How do I?
How did you meet up with him?
Well, I told that he married Noor Jahan 35 years back, and my uncle took these people captive, and I was 10 years old by the time. Okay, no, 8 years old by the time, and this man has been given the shelter by my uncle. And after I have come into the occupation, my uncle wanted to take care of him. Okay, so when I was in the boyhood stage, Akbar Bacha and Noor Jahan were living. Noor Jahan died 12 years back, and Akbar has been lonely after that. Not like these scumbags here.
Mughal Emperor.
Akbar Bacha.
Akbar Bacha.
Like my uncle. Okay?
Oh, your uncle.
You've been eating too much. You've been eating too much, and that's the only thing you have been doing for the past 10 days.
Okay.
That's why your brain is not working.
Let's go. We have got
all of you, go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. I'll give you Guru Prasanna.
Yes, sir. I have a question to you. You told that you have not introduced many people in this Bangla. So that's our problem. We think they are the strangers, and we can't share our friends' house with strangers. That's our problem.
GP, I told you when I was in college, I have been running into depression, trauma, and all that, and I've been taking treatment, dude. And after the treatment, I worked really hard, and I earned my uncle's respect. And you see, this fidget spinner spinning is also a part of the therapy. You know all that as a good friend, and why are you keeping on asking these questions? There are plenty of people whom you don't have to know. Okay, it's not about don't want to know. You don't have to know. Pack your bags, everybody. Pack your bags in 2 days.
Something is wrong with him. I told you.
Pack your
Come to
bags.
MSCB sessions when you were children. I told you. Come to MSCB sessions. Like that I told you. He didn't listen to us.
I hate Dr. Manigandan Sundaresan. He's a stupid person I have ever met in my life.
I don't speak like that about our Guru.
No, don't talk about him. You've been speaking about the college professors, and I ran away from the college, and it's been 3 years since I got graduated. And why are you speaking about the professors too? Hey, Guru Prasanna, Ratan Nitish, and Mohit. There is a limit, dudes. Yes, you are good friends. Don't cross the limit. Go back to sleep.
How is speaking? Record him. I'll give you show. Sir, go. Mohit, second PPT. Come on.
Oh, I'm doing what you expect.
Sir, correct, sir. More than
Awesome, sir.
Thank you. 22 minutes and 48 seconds elapsed. Come on. Great planning.
Thank you, sir.
What again, man? What again? Why are you keeping
going to live stream?
That particular LCD monitor? I have bought it for almost about 3.5 lakhs, and you are keeping on showing all the unnecessary stuff in that precious screen that I have bought. And what do you think of this? I told you not to do all this.
Go ahead, start live stream, bro. Start live stream.
Okay, now.
Disrespecting the kid, you're disrespecting my
Uncle Ahmed like 5 to 10 times before telling their name. And we have learned psychology from Dr. Manigandan.
Okay, I'm taking care of so many people, you understand that? I'm taking care of it. Look at the spelling error. See, it's concern, not concern. See, this is how I read in college, and this is how you study in college. What's the spelling? Consider. Idiot. Who's that?
No, that's the channel of this YouTube. That's the name of this YouTube. Concentration plus waste. Concentration. Look, the red face. Yeah. Now see how much. Oh, 20k views. Super. Let's go. No, tell us about the group. You know what I'm talking about.
See everybody, they already started to chat.
See,
They
super
say,
chat.
oh my god, get him.
Wow,
We
Nitin
got
Murugan
the
has
plan
gone
sheet.
for super chat.
Don't let him go.
Get him. We got the
Insha,
match.
get him.
Don't let him go. Look at the line.
You're posed as if I'm a national culprit in front of all the people, and I am going live now.
Yeah, we are going.
Yes.
Okay, let's face it. What do you want me to say?
Because the viewers.
What do you want me to say? Tell me what do you want me to say. Tell me
We
what
want
you
the
want.
truth.
We want the truth. You
See
know
the
what?
emojis are flying. Look at the emojis. See that.
அது ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம்
Okay, the now.
Yes.
Yes. See, already there are many emojis.
See, Vedavachan has put a super chat. Don't let him go into it. See.
You're seeing the people who have been murdered in Stanley's program. You get that. There are plenty of people who have been massacred, assassinated, and you have been seeing those people who got their dome of death inside this bungalow. Okay, right? So the little kid that you saw, Akbar Badshah that you saw, the old lady that you saw, Martin, Franklin, Sheriff, and all those people having souls. Okay, right? And they have been having plenty of things that have to be served unsolved. Like Akbar Badshah had his ulcer and he died. Nur Jahan had her own problems and she died. Little kid Richard died because of panic attack. Okay, and Martin was killed. Franklin was massacred and Sheriff was killed. The old lady Martina was killed. Okay, so we have been doing this for a mission. Myself, my gardener Maria, my kitchen mate and my maid and my storekeeper, my estate maintenance manager, we are a team. Okay, we are a team and we have been having this killing spree. I got graduated from these people's college, the undergraduation. I got graduated from you people and I had a very big plan of ruling my life. But my uncle blistered me and he ill-treated me. Yeah, what a point, I killed my uncle. Okay, and that's how I got this wonderful bungalow. This bungalow happens to be my dad's bungalow. My uncle. Wait, the story is not complete. This belongs to my dad. My mom's brother, my uncle, had been so cruel to get this sign from my dad, and he got in the illegal way, which I was not able to stop. And my uncle was doing several things to the entire family, so I wanted the family to safeguard. So Stanley Kubrick Xavier put himself into the stake and stopped Mr. Craig, my uncle, and I killed him. And I got the documents signed. And you being served by a particular person during the lunch, and that person has been my legal document writer, and he helped me to get the legal hire document from my uncle, and therefore Stanley Kubrick Xavier became this wonderful charismatic one of this entire bundle. Right? And after that, we had so many people who were in support of my uncle. I killed one by one, including the kids, including the women, including the old people. Because I'll tell you something. Listen to me very carefully. I'll tell you something. You see, for the people who have got so much of sorrows, my murder is salvation. For the people who are living happy life, my murder is punishment. So I've been into the devil's advocate position, and I've been giving happiness and salvation. If this guy has to be killed, I will decide if it is going to be a salvation for him or happiness for him. He's already living a happy life. So I'm going to give him permission. You are living already. Sorry? Hear me out. I am eyeing on Mohit's bungalow. Mohit is from the US. And in Cincinnati, he has a very big bungalow. And I am going to travel along with Mohit, and I am going to threaten him once the particular position is coming up over there with the legal procedures. I'll take the bungalow with Mohit. Ratan Nitish has got a wonderful farmhouse, and I am going to kill him for the farmhouse. Guru Prasadhan has got a wonderful sports academy. He built that particular building for sports academy, but I am going to snatch that from you. Have been having a real good villa. Okay, right? I'm on the killing spree for asset allocation. I'm crazy of asset allocation. I'm going to kill you for the villa. I'm going to kill him for that apartment flat. I'm going to kill this dude for the basketball course that he's running. Okay, right? So.
See, you're already giving them a panic attack. Aren't you afraid?
You're saying that you're going to kill us in front of 20 people.
Stanley, we didn't think.
Everyone knows about it.
See the goods there.
When you killed your uncle, no one knew about it. When you killed the little seed, no one knew about it. Now everyone will be talking about you if you kill us.
There's already.
Mithra, give me the sandwich case, please. I am hungry. Can I eat some sandwiches?
Yeah, Guru, you were saying something.
Yes, ma'am. Stanley, we didn't think that you're a criminal and just telling lies to your close friends.
GP, don't worry. Your emotions are not going to be wasted. What's the difference? 20 million people are already watching me. What's the difference? I have nothing to lose here.
Go ahead.
You move and the bullet spears into your head.
One second. Don't take an obligation. Go ahead. Tell him about the police officer's plan which we have.
Yeah.
Once people. So in the first presentation, we said that we know some police officer, like for the first presentation. And
you move the bullet spears into them.
Oh, that's a prelude. Yes, go ahead.
Don't shoot him. We have police officers on you. One of us is a undercover police officer, and if you shoot him, we can report to you. The live stream is still on.
There was a new worker, right? Sulaiman. He's actually an undercover cop. We knew about all this even before you told us the truth. We knew that you were doing something wrong. We just wanted to get it out of your mouth. 20 million people watching you. Kill me, doesn't make a difference. Kill me.
Shoot me.
Anyway, you're going to be in jail.
I know you're not going to do that with all the police outside as a
Hey, shut up. I want the assets. If you want to take my life, take it. But I want to die by having my name entitled with all the assets. Stanley Kubrick Xavier, owner of this man's villa. Stanley Kubrick Xavier, owner of that man's apartment. SKX is the owner of the basketball courts. Make that, and then you can take it.
Look, you're best. You had asked us for the assets.
You keep negotiating in that little scumbag tax. Okay, so don't keep returning negotiation. She does. She. And she. Where's he going?
One second. Someone's knocking at the door.
That's just call. Okay, freeze. Yeah. Guru Prasanna, Mohit, and Rita Nitish, out of character. If you people have got anything to speak on the script, I'm keeping it engaged, so I'm redeeming myself. Now you can speak if you want. Come on, go.
Stanley, you're very greedy, Stanley. Being a bungalow and now money has corrupted you, Stanley.
I need what I'm looking forward to. You give that to me, and things are going to be safe. You understood, Mohit Sendil Kumar? Why don't you give me a document signed and make me happy, and then you take my life? A depressed candidate is yeah.
You have a dream of getting what we own, but you're going to kill your own friends and family just to get what you want.
No, I didn't get the question, Mohit. Come back. Repeat.
You have a dream of getting up what we all own. You're just gonna kill your friends and family to get what you want.
That sounds logical, but the point is, take it as a last wish. Yeah, I know, man. I know that I have to be convicted for all the several murders that I have made. But why don't you redeem my last wish? I sense somebody coming back.
Answer.
Go ahead.
Chennai police. Answer. Put your gun down. You take the weapon.
And by the way, Stanley, don't be afraid. After you go to the court, no.
நானே அவனுக்கு யாரா நீ afraid என்ன பேசுன்னு தெரியும் ஓடிட்டு போய் பக்கி don't worry ன்னு சொல்லு I'm not afraid பயத்துல வார்த்தை எனக்கு கிடையாது போல எனக்கு ஆளே worry
But in the court, if any problem comes, there is a CCTV right over your left head top. So if you see that there is a CCTV fully recording you, so don't worry.
As you know, Stanley, you have made a confession before 2020. Come on. Don't ready.
Excuse me, Stanley.
Yeah.
I have a last question before you go out. I have a question that how did the old lady, the three youngsters, the sick man came in without our knowing?
You see, GP, Sutaman, Dakshin Siddharth, Sanjay, Mohit, and Ritanitish. Many people came inside the bungalow the very first day. I gave you a gospel holy water. Do you remember? Yeah. And that holy water has been the substance for making you under a spell. For the other people, I gave serum. And for you people, I gave that spell-bound liquid. And that liquid has been doing a lot of things into your... It was a kind of a tranquilizer, and it has been playing along with your brain neurons, and you have started seeing oblique information and oblique things. So you are anesthesed, and you saw the near-death experience and the out-of-the-body experience and the out-of-the-system experience. All these parentheses are activated, and your brain is still in that condition. For 21 days, the brain will be in that condition, and after 21 days, you all will be all right. So, I wanted to be statistic to all you people, but I never knew that you people had been using the smart resources of bringing cops into the bungalow.
We told you on the day one of arrival that we were well acquainted with a lot of cops in the system. So we will be aware.
I have nothing to lose, but I have got one last wish, and I want their names. I want my name. Don't write me question. I want my name written on all these assets.
Yeah,
and then I can put the bullet straight into my head, right now. Say yes and put the bullet and get the goddamn life out of my body.
Stanley, we are your friends. If you are asked about...
No, you are not my friend. You have brought the cops by having all the conspiracy against your name. You brought the cops here with all the arms and ammunition, and you are not my friend. You are not my friend anymore.
Stanley, we're trying to help you, Stanley.
You're just trying, just 5 years to be in prison or an extension of...
I don't want any mercy from anyone. Stanley commits suicide.
Oh, in the way,
Stanley commits suicide. In the way, you will be Okay, so Stanley now commits suicide. He puts his pocket gun and he straight away gets the bullet onto his throat, and he sits in this bizarre magical crown chair, and he dies with a loyal kind of appearance. But actually, he's very pathetic, tragic piece of trash. But he thinks that he has got a loyal death, and he dies.
Yes. And one quote, and we'll conclude everything. This quote is eternal in analytic sessions. That's never escaped, but stands in the villain. Thank you.
So, thank you so much for giving me this role. Mohit Sandar Kumar, Guru Prasanna, Ratan Nitish, and the 3 members who are here. If you have anything to say as a concluding remark or something, you can do it.
Yes. Does anyone have concluded remarks?
No, one small thing, sir. Like, just commonly for this thing, sir. Just don't cheat on the friends, sir. It will be hitting hard, really deep, sir. No, sir. Stanley is said the lie to the friends, sir. So if you are like continuously saying the lies, and it will be like in this story, you will be ending in this way, sir.
Hey, yaar Hey, yaar என்ன சொல்றியா? போய் சொன்னா இப்படி தான் நடக்கும் அப்படிங்க. Okay, that's it.
So one more conclusion, the last sir. Sir, even though Stanley is one of our best friends, sir, we came to know about various evidences and we produced it to the police officers and they confirmed that you are a murderer, sir. So despite the fact that you are one of our best friends, responsibility is, responsible citizens, we had to inform about you to the cops, sir. And that's what we did. And we were even ready to allocate all our resources and give it away to you, sir. But before that, you shot yourself, sir. So we are good friends as well as responsible.
Yes, sir, correct. Anyhow, you are asylum. Correct. But I think the treatment. Anyways, I thoroughly enjoyed acting in your skit, and that was a great plan of making a presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends.
Both teams have taken as H shape, just like the answer H shape. Yes. Good, and that's good. Both teams have taken the similar timing for finishing their skip or finishing their last round. Team CBI took about 32 minutes, and Team Ritan Nitish took 31 minutes. Okay, so now what happens now is the score allocation.
Good, sir. One number one. My friend. Correct. Let's say green. Green yours.
So we will see the marks straight away. We'll start with Team CBI. As far as the last round is concerned, Team CBI made Stanley as a person who is having cruel and wicked ideas. So Team CBI thought in a way that Stanley has been a little bit cruel in terms of making the fellow mates getting some certain suffering, and later he reveals all of them. That's what the team planned, but when the trainer was involved, the trainer himself brought a different kind of a heel, and he made him as a serial killer and murderer. So anyhow, the planning of Team CBI had been a real wonderful thing. There are 3 bonuses given for Team CBI and there are 3 bonuses given for Team Ritan Nitish as well. First, I would like to say the bonuses before it slips off the mind. So first bonus that I give for Team CBI is a 20-mark bonus for the learning insight slides that they have got. 20. Second bonus factor is the solutions by every single person for Stanley's Bangla's escape plan. The escape plan, they are mentioned as travel plan, that's actually escape plan. The escape plan mentioned by all the members were so good, and 20 marks for that. Yeah. And the third bonus that is given to Team CBI is about the creative idea, the creativity meter. The creativity meter can range from 20 to 50, 10 to 50, 10 being minimum, 50 being maximum. So if I give the creativity meter for the last round alone, because it was a blank sheet of paper given to both the teams and they have written down. So the creativity meter is 32.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now let's come back to Team Ritan Nitish for the 3 bonus combination factors. The first bonus, 20 marks, is given for the wonderful PPT preparation. Who did that?
One was by, the first one was by Manju, sir. Second one was by.
Very good. So both Dakshinzika and Sotaman get 10 each. So 20 marks for the PPT preparation.
Thank you.
Well done, Dakshin. Well done, Ashrakaman.
Well done,
Second bonus is the coffee shop conversation, where every team member put on the video casting and they made the smart way of recording it in the Skype conversation and put it up. When did you make it? Yesterday. Today. At what time?
Before coming.
Before coming to class. That was a real good commitment, and I really appreciate that gelled up with the idea very much. So we shall give 25 bonus points. Thank you. Yes.
Well done, team.
Sir,
we had a plan of doing it yesterday, sir, but Mohit was having classes, sir, so we just changed the time to today, sir.
I understand.
Mohit, you work early in the evening.
Yeah, I don't know, 5 months extra. Mohit, what class you are is going on? You are in the summer vacation, then what class?
Sir, like sports classes.
Oh, okay. Right. So the 5 marks given extra was because of Mohit for getting up early and joining. 25. The third one, the creativity meter for the final round of what to do with Stanley Xavier. So the team has had a wonderful idea of making a transaction analysis of behavior of Stanley. Psychology transaction analysis சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒருத்தரோட behavior எடுத்து அவனுக்கே அதை புரிய வைக்கிறது. ஒரு தெரபிஸ்ட் கிட்ட போனா அந்த தெரபிஸ்ட் அப்படி தான் பண்ணுவான். ஸோ ஒரு கிளீஷே இருக்கு சைக்காலஜில. எல்லாருமே அவங்க லைஃப்ல ஒரு கடத்த டிப்ரெஷனை ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So sometimes some people face the depression and they don't even know how the depression came into them. Sometimes some people will go to the expert for getting the remedy for depression. So, other transaction analysis is something that the therapist does. He gets back into the life and he goes rewinding and he gets the elements and they try to give a solution. So, under model so Stanley excerpts video footage whose idea was it?
Yes.
Your idea. So good job. So the creativity meter is 42.
Very well done, team this time.
Thank you, Kalpita.
Thank you.
Now, they clinically hold a very good edge in terms of presentation and ideology in the final round. But it all depends upon how much presentation one particular individual makes. That is why in Stanley's bungalow activity, I have made a point to give person by person mark. Now we are going to get into the person by person. Okay? We will start with Uday Sri Brinda in CPR. Again, for the improvement that she has shown, and though it was a short kind of a presentation, she did so well. I really appreciate Brinda for her professional way of speaking. So out of 50, this time Brinda scores 41.
Very well done, Brinda.
Now, switching back to Team Rhythm Nitish, and we will speak about Asatama. So the roles that he played as little boy Richard, and also Stanley's friend, and he spoke when to speak and when not to speak. He was able to know that, and he has shown a very good improvement. And I really appreciate Asathaman's progressive behavior, and he has scored 40 out of 50.
Very well done, Asathaman.
Now, flip side of the coin, now let us come to Team CB Adityan.
Thank you, Siddharth.
So now let's come to Team CB Adityan, and we will have Vishnupriya's performance analyzed. Vishnupriya has been doing really good, and she has been kindly saying that she had a different plan, and since I changed the plan, she had to explain, and when she was explaining, she spoke really well, and she was also acting as Stanley's friend. So I really appreciate Vishnupriya's performance, and she has scored 39 out of 50. Let's come to Team Rhythm Nitish and let us speak about Mohit Senthilkumar's points. So Mohit has always been a very professional presenter, and he limits himself when he wants to give scope for the other people. And today in the final round also he did the same. He was trying to give scope for the other people, and during the investigation part he spoke well. And towards the end, when Stanley was committing suicide, Mohit again spoke well, and he was trying to give a chance. There was a kind of a concern, concern in his voice, and good acting it was. And he was operating the screens really well. So 42 for 50 out of.
Very well done, Mohit.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, sir.
Scorers. Now let's get to Team CB Adityan, and we'll speak about Kalpita Sri. So one of the ace players in the team, and she has always been really keen and to the point, focused towards the performance and. Hold on. So, Kalpita Shri was during the team discussion, Mitra and Swami.
Good evening, Auntie.
Good evening, Auntie.
Good evening, Auntie.
So, Kalpita Shri, Kalpita Shri got into the thing. Yesterday she was going along with her family. She went back by 5:30 and a very big car. It was like an Innova, and the entire family was in the car, and all of them were wearing masks. It was like a James Bond movie where the daddy was driving it very fast near Bhadrakalimman temple, and Kalpita was sitting between the two seats, and she was looking into the road like this, and I was coming against, and the car was about to dash my car, and then Amma, I just. Amidst all that busy schedule of having a Sunday outing, Kalpita was really able to focus. Egama போயிட்டு வந்தீங்க?
Sir, to my grandmother's house near Coimbatore, sir.
நான் எதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்களா?
Sir, no, sir, I didn't see, sir.
நீ எப்படி பாப்ப? நீ ஃபாஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபியூரியஸ் வண்டியில போன மாதிரி இப்படியில போயிட்டு இருந்த. ப்ளூ கலர் மாஸ்க் போட்டு கிளாஸஸ் போட்டு கரெக்ட்டா?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. So Mitra and Kalpita were very involved in the team presentations. No offenses to the other team members. Brinda also helped, and Vishnupriya and Brinda again helped with a lot of murmuring in between, and Balaji also helped. So in any case, Kalpita's performance as a gardener, as an author, and as a chief investigator, everything was so nice and lots of ideas as well. 43 out of 50 for Kalpita.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, friends.
Is it nice? Okay, so very fast. Now let's come back to team Ratan Nitish, and we will speak about the captain Ratan Nitish. Very fast, very good captain. I would like to give a bonus mark towards the end for his captaincy and leadership. He was one of the active captains that we have seen in the recent times, and he has also presented really well in the final round. The one part that he was trying to do was calling me an afraid. I will never be afraid, you idiot. So instead of calling worried, he was calling. But again, jokes apart, he did a real fair justice for the team. 41 out of 50 for the team.
Well done, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, friends.
Coming to I'll finish up with Sanjay Bhaskar and Guru Prasanna and Dakshin Siddharth. We'll speak about Dakshin Siddharth. Here, and Dakshin's idea was reflective, and he has been contributing really well. PPT preparation was so much astounding, and this entire way of Stanley Kubrick was a mysterious adventures with that. So it was like more of watching a Stanley Kubrick movie over here. Who's that? So it was more like watching a Stanley Kubrick movie. So he found that, and as usual, he did. Okay, Mitra. So as usual, he was astounding in the presentation. So as a total for involving into PPT, for involving into idea generation, he was very busy in the team preparation. 46 out of 50.
Thank you, Kalpita.
About Sanjay Bhaskar. So Sanjay has been showing a lot of improvement, and he has been really doing good during the presentation. The most soft-spoken, velvet voice, Sanjay, and he should improve upon his dynamism a little bit more, Sanjay. So hopefully he will be doing that in the next session. But as of now, I'm very satisfied that in the 6 direct classes that he has done, he has really motivated himself there, and he's showing a lot of improvement. And for that improvement, I would like to give 45.
Very well done, Sanjayana.
So now let's go for Guru Prasanna's point. And Guru Prasanna has been always having the lesson focus towards the activity. He never deviates himself, he never distracts himself. Unlike his sister Mridubhashini, he is very much focused into the task. Mridubhashini keeps on murmuring with Vishnupriya and keeps on laughing with Vishnupriya. So yeah, jokes apart. Guru Prasanna has been very tidy in his performance, especially in the last round. I really appreciate Guru Prasanna for his improvement shown. So 42 out of 50 for Guru Prasanna.
Very well done, Guru Prasanna.
Coming to Mridubhashini's, coming to so coming to Mridubhashini's stature in the final round of Stanley's Banga, Mridubhashini has been good. She has been improved. She has been trying to show her mantle and wanted to strike a difference between the direct class performance and the online class performance. And as an interviewer, she was very humble and she was to the point. So appreciating all that and appreciating giving 1 or 2 points bonus considering the throughout the activity. 43 out of 50. Balaji has been given. So now coming to Balaji, Balaji has been very tidy in terms of his team contribution and also towards the presentation. When he was giving the solution, he was giving solution apart from the list that was prepared. So that was so good to watch. So Balaji has scored 42 out of 50.
Very well done, Balaji.
Well done, Anna.
Thank you, CB.
The leader. So whatever credits that goes to Team Rhythm, as Rhythm Nitish, Sibi should also be given the same leadership bonus points. He was a very good leader. He tried to speak as much as he could. Apart from the time that he was sleeping, in some areas he was trying to, contribute more. And with the kind of the Busco that he has won today, and looking like a Britannia biscuit packet. So he has been really doing well. He just looks like Britannia milk cookies packet with a bunch of stick.
That's not hard. You saw that.
Very well done, Sibi.
Well done, CB.
So Mitra has been active and she has been doing a compounder work and a peon work for preparing the presentation, running here and there, taking care of the logistics, opening the door for visitors and all that. So apart from doing the presentation, while doing the presentation, more than the presentation, she was running here and there. That's what was very much higher in number. But in any case, jokes apart, she has been really good. And comprising of all the factors, I would like to give 45 out of 50. So, what is your average in this round?
44.
44. You will have 40. Seventh person compensation for Team Rhythm is 40 in this round.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
You have 306.
Okay, come on, give me the complete grand total. Inclusive of the bonus.
Everything, sir.
Every damn thing for you. Right from the first day of Stanley's number.
Sir, our grand total is 1057.
1057. Okay. Is that right? So cross check with your friends.
Mridubhashini, what was your total car?
1057.
Okay.
10.
I got 1055, sir.
It's a 1059, sir.
1059 is the actual score, Kavita.
So 108.
Okay, sir.
1059, that's made as 1060. That's converted as 1060. And how much is yours?
1086.
1086. Okay, so then let's convert it as 1090. 1090 for Team Rhythm, 1060 for Team CBR. So, Dakshin's mom is waiting for a long time and he has got a class lined up. We will have some.
Sir.
It's a tie.
Sir, not fair, sir.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Okay, so I don't want to drag this further because I don't want to see you stand in between. I need to bonus. It's a tie.
Sir, I have idea to decide winners, sir.
What point?
Sir, roll a dice, sir, and odd numbers one team, even numbers one team, sir. There's done the upcoming number. That team is the winner, sir.
Wow.
I said
okay. So now, team presentation wise, team preparation wise, both the teams were very active. In all the rounds, on an average, both the teams have taken at least 45 minutes for team preparation. And I always sit for listening to my subliminal, and my subliminal will be complete by the time these people finish their preparation. Yeah, and during the presentation also, about 40 minutes. So, Stanley's Bungalow is one of the most satisfying activities that I have ever had. Every single person put his or her best effort, including CBR and the Stanley little kid. But in any case, things were really going so well. Yeah, there was a little bit of a lapse and there was a huge scope of minus because of Asatham's behavior on the day 2 of Stanley's Bungalow. But it recouped and I have decided not to give the minus. From then onwards, nothing stopping them. And these people are also really doing good. But if you speak on the basis of the idea creativity, and if we take in the first round, Team CBR gave the wonderful idea of excerpts, newspaper clippings and all that, where he called it as lacking and there was a huge ruckus in the team. And in the second round, obviously Team Ritan Nitish bounced back with a lot of new things, where Team CBR then went a little down. And again in the third round, revelation of Stanley's area. This team had a wonderful creativity of the serum idea, and this team had a wonderful creativity of this guy going a little bit crazy and capturing the moments of Stanley's weird behavior was a great idea, and they brought it to the psychological perspective called as transaction analysis. Without the knowledge of taking psychological perspective called as transaction analysis, and the staunch performance of presentation by Dakshin Siddharth, by Mohan Senthilkumar, Ritan Nitish of course, properly supported by Guru Prasanna, Sanjay Bhaskar and Asathaman. And here, if you take a wonderful script writing, building preparation by Mitra, Brinda and Kalpita, of course Balaji, but unfortunately Vishnupriya, Mridubhashini and CBR contribution in terms of script preparation, if I see, that's written on a low level. So hope you understand and hope you are free also. Whereas Brinda was trying to help, Mitra was trying to develop, Kalpita was trying to help, and Balaji was also trying to help. On that note, I was trying to have both the team on a time. So, therefore, it's going to be nice.
Sir, I have idea, sir.
What idea, Mohit?
Sir, let's decide the winner with football match, sir.
So, on that note, we will have the tables. Team Rhythm, Team CBR. Table, 4 contents. Creativity in preparation, agility in presentation, number 2, and involvement in the exercise, number 3, and time management, number 4. So if we take these 4 criteria, each team has got its own ups and downs in the 4 criteria. But if you take, and if you see in a bird's perspective, bird's size perspective, too much of creativity was there in Team Rhythm Nitish.
Yes.
You agree?
Yes.
Therefore, Stanley Bungalow activities winner is Team Rhythm Nitish.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very narrow level of difference of 30 marks for team CB Adityan, but they did a great job. So give them a big hand, please.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Guru.
Well done, Team Sibi.
Thank you, Mohit.
So they deserve this, as Mitra rightly mentioned, extra time of preparing a video clip, extra time of trying to work on Sunday. If they are not working on Sunday, trying to work on Sunday, all that is what has made you win. And Sanjay's Pondicherry to Pollachi travel has really got me.
Sir, what is the distance, sir?
Distance is almost about 300 kilometers more.
Okay.
400 kilometers. It's like between Bangalore and Pollachi, the same distance. Okay, so that's how it is. But both Ritan Nitish and CB Adityan will have the same leadership marks in the ensuing week's CRS report. So winning, losing doesn't matter. But in any case, உங்களுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் நினைக்கிறேன், winning, losing வந்து உங்களுடைய CRS உடைய performance கம்மி பண்ணும். இப்போ நீங்க தோத்த டீம் இருந்தா உங்களுக்கு CRS மார்க் கம்மி. நீங்க எப்படி பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றீங்க? Win and lose அப்படின்றது நம்ம சும்மா இந்த கை தட்டிட்டு அந்த என்ஜாய்மென்ட்க்காக. That doesn't bring up any difference. நீ எப்படி பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றீங்க? வாழ்க்கை மாதிரி தான் CRS. நீ நல்லது பண்ணினா உனக்கு நல்லது நடக்கும். நீ ஏதாவது லேசியா இருந்த அப்படின்னா நல்லா ஹெவியா கேட்கும். பொதுவா சொன்னேன். Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow morning I'm meeting the US batch and I will get the timing and date when we are having the merger and I will tell you by tomorrow evening. Immediately after the US batch completion by 6:30 in the morning, I will put that in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay, Mike?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
முக்கியமான ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் பத்தி
Anything, Kalpita, Balaji, Guru Prasanna, Ritan, Mohit? Yeah, Guru Prasanna, quick.
Sir, about the therapy, sir. Sir, I have started the last key method now, sir, because the past 1 week I had some negative thoughts, sir. So I have started the last key method also, sir.
Beautiful.
Super Guru. End the Guru.
I will. So I would actually add that in your CRS or therapist talk. Good. I'll note that down. Okay, Kalpita, Balaji, anything to be revealed? Shall we close?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir.
Okay, so everybody put your hands together to say bye to Balaji, Kalpita, Mohit, Ritan Nitish, and Guru Prasanna. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, friends.
Thank you, sir.
Chairs arrangement, and we all will leave.